Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you these DuraTherm door liners we have installed here in our Ford Transit van. This is the mid or medium roof height. These door liners do vary depending on if you have that low, medium, or high roof. Now, the primary purpose of these liners is to protect the body of the van. So typically this upper part of the door is just raw sheet metal. If you have supplies or lumber or whatever it is, and you're loading, unloading, and you hit the side of this door, there's going to be dents in the exterior sheet metal of the van, then that's paint chipping, that's corrosion, rust, all of that. So this helps protect this upper part of the door here. Now, this lower part of the door typically comes with a factory panel that's just kind of weak, easy to puncture through it and all of that. So this is really a replacement for that factory panel here on the lower part of the door. Now, these liners also have a layer of insulation behind them, so there's going to be improved temperature control back here, as well as reduced road noise from that insulation material. This is typically going to be paired with some wall liners like we have here, and ceiling liners to give you a full liner package. Now, on our rear windows, can't show you this here, our rear doors, we do have two liners like this, and these are going to cover essentially where the window or glass portion of the door is. And so there's a factory panel on the lower part of those rear doors. It almost has like a speaker in it and things like that. Those are going to stay in place, and you're going to put these above. Now, if you do have glass on those rear doors, a lot of times you're not going to want to install these liners because you want to retain the functionality and use of the glass back there. Now, just to show you what these look like on the back, we do have a layer of foil insulation right here, and we do have another little layer of this black foam insulation right here. These rear liners do attach using self-threading screws, as does upper panel over here on the side door. The lower door panel does attach using plastic push-in clips. This liner does have some scoring right here. I believe this is the passenger side for our factory door lock. We also do have a little piece right here you can trim out depending on your door handle configuration on the back of the door there. Now, if you're looking for these liners for your doors, these walls, the ceilings, a floor, whatever you may need to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.